Three, two, one, and
Demonetized.
demonetized. There it is. Oh, we forgot to do the Wizard thing. Vaseva.
Yes, that's how light works.
What
You're
the?
in a cave
What
and
is?
it's dark.
What is going on here?
Oh. Oh, that guy's on fire.
Oh yeah,
What the fuck?
he torched Kelvin.
Is he alive?
He's down right now. Kelvin is. Ow. Damn. I'm on fire because of this crazy moron. I'm in water.
Where's Calvin?
Help Kelvin. Oh, he got up on his own.
Where's Kelvin? Is he alright?
My boy. Nice. Alright.
Let's get out of here. Why is Kelvin following us anyway? Oh, he's stuck at home.
Oh.
Should go put him back home. Is our helm all the yellow? Yeah, it's gotta be all the yellow marks.
Yeah.
I'm gonna head back over
Because
there.
I think those are all of the advanced log slits.
Yeah. Hello, dear. Hello, many dear. Can you fucking move? Thank you. You eat shit?
No. No.
I didn't eat shit. You ate shit, bitch.
Also, I realized something. The deer, like, they totally are small, right?
Yeah.
And they all have that spotting on them, like if they are fawns.
Mm-hmm.
They're probably axis deer of some kind, or some, like, exotic deer.
Maybe.
It's a bunch of stuff regrown here. I should make another mushroom stew or something. I should make clean water, fill my flask, and then dump it and make some stew. That's what I should do. Do we have any scrap logs sitting around?
Yeah, ton.
Like this? Why, what, why, what, why, what?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you parked this one over the campfire.
Oh, whoops. Forgot it was there.
Hi, bruh. Need another stick in here.
Hi, Virginia. What's up? Scared the fuck out of me, Virginia.
Did she give you something?
She kind of went, eh, and then waddled away.
She's trying to be kawaii. Means she likes
Where are
you.
the GPS trackers? On the...
In the box with the zip line top left.
Hi, Virginia. Would you like this?
I don't think she'll let you put that on her yet.
Oh, what the fuck? You can change? Oh.
Maybe?
Hey, you can change what the GPS markers are on the map with if you right click them.
Oh, yeah.
Here, Virginia, you can have the heart.
Oh, he said something. Censor the whole video. Demonetized again.
I would give you a shotgun if I had it, but I don't, so...
I'll give her the pistol if you give her the shotgun.
Sure. She's chilling out with us now.
I don't think you can give her the revolver. I'm pretty sure we've had it before and we didn't have the prompt to hand it over.
Okay. Virginia's checking out the compound. Okay, so our next move is to go and dig up the other, GPS guy or whatever with the shovels now.
Yeah, get the shotgun, and then we could also go to the other currently known optional bunker thingy. Because we do have 2 markers now.
Okay.
Do you want me to make any extra food stuff while we're here?
I'm good. I mean, if we really... Hey, Kelvin. Fuck. I should probably tell Kelvin to stick around here. Where, Kelvin?
Whatever next time we do, like, more building on the house, we should do a bunch of traps and stuff.
Yeah. We gotta still decorate the interior. So.
Yeah.
But I like how it turned out. I don't know how I'm supposed to use the batteries. Actually, where
You
are
should
the
come here and
batteries?
look at Virginia really quick. She's having, like, a moment by the river here. Just chilling out. Off to my left.
Oh, nature. Kelvin's
Weird
kind of having his own
3-armed,
moment here, too.
3-legged freak. Yeah, taking a shit into the fire or whatever he's doing.
Whoa, Virginia, you don't gotta show me all that ass. Relax.
Just eating grass? Oh, you know what? No, never mind.
What's up, Virginia? Just gonna phase through my... Okay.
No phasing, please, miss. What in the fuck? What the fuck?
What?
She's dancing over there. That was the worst thing I think I've ever seen.
What do you mean?
Like, scarred for life now.
What are you talking about?
Nothing. We don't have to talk about it.
We don't talk about
You want to
Bruno?
sleep before we go?
We don't talk about Bruno.
D-man.
What do you want, ho?
Oh, did you place down a battery pack?
I did.
Nice.
It's actually pretty nice and simple. I enjoy the simplicity of it. I might put up more lights, though.
Another one over here. Okay. Need to do anything else here, or you move on to the next area?
I need to eat and sleep. Sorry, excuse me. Freaking.
Excuse me, pardon me, excuse me, pardon me. Don't do it. Don't go. I'll kill you.
Can I make ramen?
Oh,
I have a... Bruh. Oh my god, you can. Cooked ramen noodles.
I don't... I think you need some other things too.
Snowing.
Yeah.
I don't know, it said I could do it. I want the
Are you sure
body
you're not
parts.
just making boiling water?
I'm like 90% sure that I'm doing it right. Rotten head, go away.
Just throwing body parts into the pond.
Yep.
Damn.
Damn, it's getting snowy quick. Our little log cabin gonna look cool though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm fine, Kelvin. Oh my god, I can't see anything.
Holy shit.
I'm looking in
It
the
got
direction of
snowy
the
really
sun.
quick.
Yeah, I look in the direction of the sun. I can't see. It's getting a little bit better. God damn. It's bright as hell. I like the snowy weather though. It gets soup. Can I help you?
I think you just made
Nope.
water.
It says cooking pot cooked ramen noodles.
Huh. Alright.
Drink.
What does she have?
That did not give me a lot.
Is that the best to you too, bitch? Alright, you ready?
No. Because now I need
God
to cook
motherfucking
another
damn.
thing of water. Because
God
I
damn.
had no food and no water.
Oh, you better hurry up quick, cause the pond is gonna freeze over soon.
Oh, that's right. I forgot that happens.
At least, probably. There's only, like, flowing water sources that don't.
Well, I mean, we got both. We got the pond and the river, so.
Yeah.
We should be Gucci. Oh, I see a fat ass in the distance. Get off my wall! Look,
Dude right here, too.
you guys are testing my fucking patience. Oh, I still got you. So weird.
Miss.
That's
A
right,
miss.
bitch. Fuck out of here.
Go back to the,
How are you still alive? Stop breaking my shit.
I don't like you zone.
Sorry, Jiver.
Ow, bruh.
I didn't know you were that close to him.
Bitch ass. Oh. Oh my god. This guy has like a huge carcinoma on the side of its face.
What?
The one we just
Oh, I see
marked.
that. I wonder if that's him slowly turning. Alright, now I'm ready to go.
Okay. Gonna be going quite a distance back toward the rebreather cave. Unless you wanted to hit the optional objective first, which is technically closer. But we might get caught up in a bit of a lengthy fight in there sometime. I don't know how much time you have left on your video.
I still got a good amount of time. Plus, we could just break off.
Make it longer.
Oh, we could make it longer, but we could also just stop in a safe spot. And then...
Yeah.
God damn it.
Well, I made it over the river. Will you?
Will I? Is that the
Kind
same
of.
thing that happened to you?
Yeah, exactly.
Where's my... Stop floating away. We should make a giant ramp.
I absolutely should. I wonder how steady you could make the slope upward. Because the default ramp is 45 degrees.
Just another
It's
one of those
45
random
degrees.
tarps on a tree right here. With a box. Weird.
That's probably some weird story-related thing.
Maybe.
Unless it's... No, it's a tarp, not like
What
a
the
parachute.
hell was that
I was kind of
sound?
thinking...
Did you
I think
hear
there were
that?
some dudes following us.
Sounded like a monster. A groaning monster. What the hell?
Some scrappies around the place.
It's coming from under the water.
Huh?
Didn't it do that last time? Like make weird sounds from underwater, under the iced water.
Oh, no, you're stupid. It's the ice, like, moving and expanding and stuff. It's a natural phenomenon.
That
It
doesn't.
makes those weird groaning noises.
Hmm.
Sorry for calling you stupid. It's just, the truth.
Sorry if I haven't been around a freezing lake. Leave me alone.
It happens in the, like, sort of... That's a very open area. Oh, because I think that's technically part of the golf course. No, it's not. This is just an open area. It happens in the sort of twilight hours of a lake or a pond. It's more prominent the larger the surface is, where the top layer has frozen, but it hasn't frozen thick enough yet.
These
So
poor
you
cannibals. They're trying to catch up to us, but they just don't know what the fuck's happening.
have also all the clowns and their little leaf piles on the ground. There's a guy there.
God damn it.
I am picking up some crazy speed. Some barrels here. No, those are jars.
Full of what? Figurines?
Huh? What? Is that a Saints Row reference?
No.
It was some clay pots of like viscera and food stuff. Take a left. Take a left where you're at now and cut into where we're going.
Tripped over your ass.
I just turned around and your scooter was on the ground and your name tag was above a bush.
Shut up.
There's a lot of dudes here.
Yeah, there is. Ow. Ow. Holy shit.
It's another dude with a huge tumor on his face. He pulled out the blicky.
He has to do that weird running and jumping shit at me, so.
Alright, and then
All of my armor is gone.
I don't know where we dig here. Yeah, I lost my armor a while ago. Just been
Raw dogging it.
either taking hits or not getting hit. Wow.
Oh yeah, the next cannibal I see is
That's it,
getting,
right.
hey, next cannibal, what's up? How you doing? That's right, you better fucking run. Yeah, that's what I thought. About to make you jump back.
I don't know what I'm gonna put on my 9 button, but I have it open. No, 8. Yeah. Alright, well, we have that now.
Yo, what's up, man? Nice bare ass.
Real eyes, real lies, real lies. Or some dumb shit.
What?
Huh? Who are you?
Talking about?
It's some fucking stupid term that I heard at some point. I think. I don't know. I don't know where I heard it, to be honest. Alright, to the optional objective.
Sure. Yo, you tripped.
Yo, you tripping. And you spinning.
What does it look like? Because yeah. Just start spinning. That's pretty funny.
Alright, now what direction were we going?
This way, I think.
There's a big cannibal camp right here.
Perfect. I get to try out the new thing.
Time to go
Yo,
turkey
what's
hunting.
up? How you doing? How? Wait, what? How does
You
it?
missed.
It's not doing anything. Oh, there we go.
Bruh. Very delayed reaction.
It really wasn't doing anything though. Okay. Yo, what up?
What is this? Oh. Old skeletons over
He
here.
jumped after me in midair, and I hit him with a shotgun midair, and he
Bruh.
floated back to his little
There's a skin pouch over here.
spot.
Oh
No,
shit,
no.
King is here. I was kind of wondering where he was. Damn, he took that like a champion. Bruh. Alright, well, oh.
Whoa! He tried to Sparta kick me.
Oh, he
Parkour.
after your ass. He knows how to parkour too.
What are you gonna do?
You shoot off his mask?
Wait, how did you hit? What? I'm sorry?
Oh, there you go. Got the skin pouch in the corner here.
How do you see that? There's so much snow.
I saw it float off of his corpse and land. And then I just searched for the little icon that showed
Oh,
up.
here's another skin pouch.
Yeah, I already picked that one up.
Well, sorry, sir.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, what? Yo, this eagle has one of their heads.
Eagle? What?
Yeah, there's an eagle. I just skinned it.
I see what you mean. Yeah.
He was carrying
It
like
swooped
one of
down
their
and
heads.
grabbed a part and tried to fly off with it.
I guess.
Yeah, they do that.
Here,
Pretty
can
cool
we
detail.
burn bodies.
Okay.
Where's the king? Oh. Make a body at the boy, man.
I wonder if you can just huck a Molotov in the center of them like that. Probably can, actually.
Yeah, good question.
Here, let me try it out. Because I have some to spare.
I mean, it looks like it's working.
Yeah. Just will it cook for long enough. Looks like it will. They're already deteriorating. What amazing, morbid attention to detail, by the way. To have them deteriorate in those ways.
It didn't finish.
Oh. Bro.
I think it just
Oh.
barely. What? Are you fucking kidding me, dude?
R.I.P. all those bones.
I guess I needed armor.
Do you want to just take most of my bones? Not the ones that I'm using, but the ones that I have spare.
Nah, that's fine. We'll just find more later.
Find one of these. There we go. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
We are going this way.
Excuse me, ladies.
See, that's where we put our other base in the other playthrough. Right in this corner here. Your ass need to catch up. Goddamn.
Nah.
I don't know if you remember this spot.
Yeah. Yeah, this is definitely where we had it. And then I had zip lines going down the
Downriver onto the beach, yeah.
It's a good spot.
We liked it because it was really open and you could see shit from a mile away. There's another king and his camp.
Dang. Crazy. I'ma leave him alone. The hell did you trip on? Oh, that fucking log, I
Big,
guess.
huge log.
Maybe dropping logs in the forest.
That's one of the enemy types. Just huge dude walking around leaving huge logs. Oh shit. I'd have to carry your thing across.
I refuse. Bumper cars.
I hate the water. Somewhere around here in the center. I hate helicopters. I hate the stairs. I see part of it here. Come on. Oh, there we go. It counts now. Maintenance. I don't know, because there's snow in the way. Bruh, you're not making it any better. Now there's floating snow, and I'm gonna crawl through it. I'll see you later.
You're welcome.
I don't know if this is the
Can't see a damn thing.
revolver bunker.
I'm gonna hope
I think it probably is.
Arrow bunker. Oh, I thought that was a fucking landmine. Wait, there's a ballerina on the front of the Roomba. I think I noticed that last time.
Yeah, I noticed that too. Yeah, this is the Chiappa, right? No, never mind. It is the compound bow, I believe.
Yeah, let's go. Give me.
Anyone left?
There's a white tuxedo in the bathroom.
Oh yeah, fire axe too.
Ooh, fire axe is big.
Fire axe. Who said that? Someone said something. Also, there's that the painting in the corner there. It's not something that we can take, of course, but it's a environmental storytelling thing.
So where's the compound bow?
Laser sights, and then it looks like there's another GPS thing there. Oh, there is a key card sitting here.
So it's just the fire axe from down here?
Yeah.
Is it over here?
Maybe it wasn't the... Must not have been the compound bow. God, that water would be so absolutely disgusting.
You should drink it.
Yeah, I already am.
I knew it.
Okay, I'm gonna save here.
Look at me, Jiver.
Sort through
I'm
my
all fancy
inventory.
and shit.
No, not looking.
Album cover collected.
I don't know if that unlocks more music in the thing,
Jukebox?
but yeah,
Jukebox.
the boombox. I remember when you used to, I don't know if this was a thing in this game, and then they removed it, or if it was the forest originally, but you used to wrap a cloth around a rock, and then you could light it on fire, and then use that as a blunt damage weapon.
What? Really?
Yeah. Because remember you used to upgrade everything in the original forest? Like you could put your...
Like glass and stuff, yeah.
Yeah, put teeth and feathers and stuff on it, and those did different things. You used to be able to put cloth on everything, and that would give you the ability to light it on fire and do additional fire damage. Yeah, there's a game of chess here. Pretty early game too. There's one knight that's off. There's a knight taken off both sides. Wait, is this just mirrored? No. Alright. Well, we're done here then. We did unlock another location though.
Unlocked.
Or at least we're aware of exactly where it is.
Was that lock key card door?
Oh yeah, also the key card. Huh?
Probably save. Make a temporary thing, majiggy.
Oh, sure.
I'll be really mad when we lose these and have to walk forever.
Oh, that was really laggy.
Yeah, that was
hell.
super laggy for me too. Oh, parkour. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna stop this here. So, Jiver.
Hmm?
What was up?